Hope so you all will be fine. This is me, Mohammed Nabil, and I'm from Sialkot. And as far as my experience with Aamir Ahmer Academy is concerned, I want to thank Aamir Ahmer for creating such an amazing atmosphere at such an affordable price of just rupees 5,000 in a country like Pakistan. One thing, and second, I want to give huge credit to Sir Aamir for his way of teaching. फॉर एग्जाम्पल जब सर हमें किसी डीप कॉन्सेप्ट एक्सप्लेन कर रहे होते हैं और उस डीप कॉन्सेप्ट में जब हम ज़्यादा डीप चले जाते हैं उसमें उसके बाद सर 5 मिनट की जो ब्रेक लेते हैं कहते हैं और सुनाओ क्या चल रहा है ज़िंदगी में. उन 5 मिनट्स में हम उस डीप कॉन्सेप्ट को जो ऑब्जॉर्व करते हैं, इट्स जस्ट अमेजिंग. सर कीप डूइंग दैट टेक्निक. वन थिंग, and if you are a beginner and you are struggling to get clients, then I will highly recommend you to go and watch one of the video in earning module, and that is how to build your portfolio as a beginner, where Sir Aamir Ahmer has explained 12 to 13 techniques that how you can build your portfolio as a beginner. But I want to recommend that you should use one of the method, and that is using your network to start working as a digital marketer. I personally use that method, and I was able to get 2 paying clients with that technique. So I will highly recommend you that if you are struggling with getting clients, then go and watch that video how to build your portfolio. And thirdly, I want to thank Sir Aamir Ahmer for such an amazing atmosphere, for such an amazing ecosystem, the level of support he is providing us. WhatsApp sport groups, Facebook sport groups, Monday to Thursday Q&A, and earning module classes, lifetime mentorship. This whole ecosystem is just mind-blowing, and I wish you all a best of luck. Remember me in your prayers, and hats off to Sir Aamir Ahmer. Thank you so much.